In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn 10K per month with your YouTube channel. And it doesn't require fancy editing, it doesn't require a candle, and it doesn't require fancy equipment. So watch this entire video to learn how you could get on the road to earn 10K per month with your YouTube channel. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to reveal everything that I did in the month of January so that you can replicate and improve upon it. One of the biggest misconceptions that people perceive that they need to start a successful YouTube channel is fancy equipment. Now, what I have is a webcam that I'm talking to you in. I've had it for, I don't know, 5 years now. It's old. It's probably not that great. This microphone was $100, but I'm not telling you to spend $100. What I am going to tell you is the exact things that you need to do to put yourself in a position to earn 10K per month with your YouTube channel, just with the YouTube Partner Program. We're not talking about affiliate marketing. I'm not talking about selling your own digital products. I'm just talking about the YouTube Partner Program. The first thing that you need is a community, okay? And building a community is actually easier than you think. This thing right behind me, this globe, is how I built a community. I encourage people, in fact, in the beginning of this video, I encourage you to leave a comment of where you're located so I can pin you on the map. This gives viewers a sense of ownership, a sense of being, and a sense of belonging. Now, I actually got this idea from a book called Superfans by Pat Flynn. It was just one of the many great examples that he has. That leads me to number 2. Be willing to learn. Go out and read books. I read a book on YouTube from Daryl Eves, which led me to the book on Superfans by Pat Flynn, which led me to that globe, which helped me build community. It actually helped create conversations in the comment section, which helped my videos go further. So make sure that you build a community. It's really easy. Now, if you can't afford a globe, go out and see if you can print a globe or print a map and find some push pins and then post it right behind you. Always start with what you have. Don't feel like you've got to spend a bunch of money if you don't have it to get started building a community. So that's step number 1. Build a community. There's a few different ways to do it. Step number 2, it's kind of a micro step. Go out and be willing to learn. Believe it or not, you don't know it all, okay? I don't know it all. So be willing to go out and learn and commit to the process so that you can put yourself in the position to be successful. Those are the first 2 things. Step number 3 is to figure out what's working for other people and have a new spin or a new take on it. And basically what I did, if you look at my channel, are the I tried it videos. What I did, and I'll walk you through this process step by step, is I looked to see what was working for other YouTubers within my niche, and I took a different approach on it. Most people make the mistake of seeing a video on YouTube and just making the exact same video. Most people, once they've seen one video, they've seen them all, and they can turn people off, and you don't look like an authority figure in your brand. You look like a follower. So what you can do is find a new spin on it. And my spin was the I Tried It series, which has done really, really well for my channel. And let me show you exactly how I did it. I went over to YouTube and I typed in my niche. I typed in things like make money online. I typed in things like affiliate marketing. So you can do the exact same thing for your niche. So I'm just going to type in, as you can see here, make money online. Now there's a few ways to do this. Type in make money online, and then I open up the channels for every single one of these. And I put these channels into a Google Doc, which is free, a Google Sheet. As you can see here, I have a bunch of different names. I've got about 70 names. Some of them are repeat, but I've got about 70 names. And what I do, once I've opened them all up, or once I've added them to my Google Sheet, I'll go through and I will open these up in a new tab like this. I'm going to go through and I'm just going to do a couple of them to show you exactly what I do to find content ideas so that you can do the same thing for your niche. All right, so I've got maybe 5 or 6 of them open. The next step, which is really simple, I'm just going to go over to this YouTuber's channel. This one's Joshua Mayo. What I do is I take a look at the videos that he's uploaded over the last 2 weeks. I'm looking for videos that have done pretty well to see if I can put my spin on it. Maybe one spin will be doing the I Tried It series. Recently, I started doing reaction type videos, and you can see here this video that was uploaded 1 month ago. It has 2.6 million views. I actually did a reaction to this one. So what I'll do, quite honestly, is I'll look, okay, 87,000 views, 187,000 views. So what I may do tomorrow is I might do a reaction video on starting the #1 work from home business for beginners. Quite frankly, I'm riding the wave of virality that he's already going through. So I'll open this one up in a new tab and I'll watch it later. What I'll also do is I'll go and look at this one, and I'm looking for the videos, the most popular videos over the last 2 weeks. So you can see here, 10,000 views, 4 side hustles that no one's talking about. I could make a reaction video, but I already made basically the same reaction video. So if you look at this, this is a good example. With Joshua Mayo, he did 4 side hustles that no one is talking about 1 month ago. Mr. Reese, or whatever, however you pronounce his name, he made the exact same video yesterday. In fact, the only thing he changed was the amount of money you could make per day. But this is probably the exact same video. Instead of adding his own creativity and flair, he basically did a copy and paste, 14 minutes and 14 seconds, 14 minutes and 9 seconds. So I would go through and I'm going to look and see if there are videos that I could react to, if I could put my own spin on it. You're going to basically do this, and this is how you can get unlimited content ideas for your niche. You're going to spend some time watching some of these videos. I did the same thing with Kevin David. I was going to make a video about that, about one of these, but I decided not to. So you can go through and do that. Another thing that you can do is you can open up a window in incognito mode, and I've done this, and you'll actually be able to see the results of this as well. So I'll go over to YouTube once again, and then I'm going to type in my niche. For example, I'll type in, let's do affiliate marketing this time. Affiliate marketing like this. And then I'm going to sort by this month. It's February, so it's going to maybe give me some weird results. But then I'm going to also sort by view count. So I'm looking for the most viewed videos. And I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to take a look. As you hopefully noticed, if you've watched my videos, I made a video, an I Tried It video on this one. If we keep scrolling, you'll probably see a bunch of videos that are familiar because there's me. This actually works, 22,000 views. I have made videos on some of these videos. I am riding the wave of the viral videos. I'm also taking advantage of this space right here. So if I click on this video, I'll probably do a video on that one too. So if I click on this video, my only goal for my videos is to show up right here. When I am not doing keyword research friendly videos, I am trying to show up right here. In fact, that's the exact reason why my titles are I Tried It and then the name of the video. Hopefully if I click on, hopefully we can get a real example. I'm going to click on one of these. So if we click on this one, again, I did an I Tried It. My hope is that my video shows up on the side right here, right next to it. That's my goal. That's the whole purpose of me using the thumbnail. That's the whole purpose of me using the exact same title. Some people will say it's clickbait. I disagree, or else I probably wouldn't do it. But as you can see here, I don't show up next to it, unfortunately. But my whole goal is to create the content that shows up to the next popular content. And in fact, comment right now if you have come to my channel because my video showed up over here on this right-hand side. That is how you can take advantage of trending viral videos. Take a video that's already working and put a different spin on it. Don't just make the exact same video. And then the next part, which is most important, you have to keep uploading. This may not work once, this may not work twice, but if you do this multiple times, you can be successful online. Okay, so here are the steps once again. You have to build a community. That's what I did with the Globe. You have to go out and be willing to learn because you don't know everything. Step 3 is you have to go out and find videos that are within your niche. And step 4 is simply to keep creating the damn content. It really is that easy, and most people aren't successful because they give up too soon. They try it 5 times, they try it 10 times, and it feels like it's not working. Believe it or not, I have 1,500 videos on this channel. If I had given up after my first 100 videos, I would not be in front of you today. I would have not gained 20,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. Now that you know how to make 10K per month with your YouTube channel, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.